Karumba.
Yes. Ugete atiriri. De kurugamia injiri ari woika.
Niki.
Si Karumba ri. Ni zaya kuma kuria gwetwo Makuyu.
Makuyu.
Yes.
Makuyu ma Muranga.
Niku akiri warie wake. Na ni guo mucie kimerera. Na ndakiumagarite akoragwo ro kundu kuriku.
O Makuyu.
Na ni taoni riu irathie ikorete andu a Makuyu. Yes.
Maendeleo maroka makorete.
Actually Makuyu people don't have to go to town. The town is coming to them. Yes.
Nema.
Ndiona keno makorio ni taoni ogu. Tena keno ri. Ni undu andu arĩa makĩũĩ history ya Baranguru ri. Yes.
Baranguru.
Icio githie Muranga tene ri. Wagĩraga bara, I think bara wahukagira haria Deroview. The modern day Deroview. Ũgaikurukira kuria the now Thika Greens.
Thika Greens.
Omerera Makenji, Kavati, riu keno twikaniirie.
Iyo riu niyo Baranguru ya Muranga.
Yes. Na Kavati gakura muno tondu wa bara iriku.
Bara iyo.
Yes. Na gicoka riu kieheria Ondo Kavati gicoka hai. Riu githii gukuria
keno.
Yes. It's the same thing with Makuyu. Karumba ni akihita kuu gwake ri. Eka ciake 4 na kuota ri. Yes. Na no acokete kagura mugunda ungi wa miti 3 ri.
Bere na eka 4 na gicunje.
Yes. Acokete akenderio pei miti 3. Yes. Ito ni migunda ya thima wogu. Riu gete wari ucio ndangiwendia. Nyarira tauni ikagomana wega. Yes.
Are mena ihenya ria kwendia mendie kwao.
Yes. No riu araigua tagikirana na injiri kidogo ri. Ti mehia aracirira. Arauga niwe mwihirie. Yes.
No amwihiria.
Muruwe na muka.
Niki.
Tondu riri we crusade irakoretwo iku Makuyu nekandiriro muno. Yes. Ya mutungatiri wiho urauma kundu gwitwo Nigeria. Uretwo Uladi Meji. Victor Uladi Meji.
Victor.
Yes. Na ugatho nginya atauri ya tafuria ria mama itamburitwo na crusade ikanjia gubangwo riu kinda gia crusade iyo ri Karumba ni arumagarite agathi kundu gwitwo Mutaita miti miingi
na iguru.
Yes. O kuhangira warie ni mundu webangite gatene
na kene andu ame appetite.
Yes.
And
it's those characteristic people who will have a lot of land around, but they are heavily broke.
Na gutire county atari ngundu.
Yes. Mundu ni wona wae tuka salama. Muikamba wa nyende iria eka 10 hau. Na ndicire magamero ni ona utwekanire kugia kimera. Yes.
Ucokio thia handu hetagwo Macimba.
Ndio.
Naho ni ndiundu.
Yes. Kayone ri. Cibwe kagira micemanio ri. Handu hau tunyitanire turi athuri acio.
Atano.
Yakire maundu mau ria akiumagarite guthie Mutaita aragicokire crusade itigiti riu mithenya irikie ndwikia jagia tene na missionaries aguku mwetereire riu the main celebrant. Yes.
Akuma kuri Nigeria.
Akiuma Nigeria is on an Africa tour. Aragicagura Makuyu. Yes. Karumba agicoka ri araga notice kiraundi kiu ri niwe crusade kiajagia kindu 8-9 kiraundi ni kinene wega. Tigo ndwe mundu acokana mucie ni wamba gwetha. You know there are people in the village makoro me correspondence reporters and bookkeepers. Yes. Andu magekwe uria wothe kuhanikite while you were
where you are. Wait.
Yes.
This and this happened.
Akimbete kuingira hame hui. Akimbenye ndwe mundu ni ingiraga uteriga itura ukirwo ni kukwenja tu marima. Yes.
Na Karumba ndikwiriga kiumia giki ndikuonete.
Ai tarauma ngarite kaitarathite Mutaita. Nejigua ni ore ndokua. Ndikaondo ni ondo munene. Yes. Ukiana atia. Otire thenai. Reke njuge guku kindu tukwenzo twina kio. Jehova ni muingi kundu guku tondu
aba wenderio gikombe
moneo gikombe mbura ne uhure rukungu rwa Mutaita ondo ku kwimbiri. Yes. Guku turathimikite Turi haha ri. Rwe tutigethi hari akuru sendi. Yeso methikagiria turi haha. Ane kuoherwe mboro nene. Leo ne turaigwa na Kimbondi muhuri wayo ri. Ndiraigwa umete othe mena-ine ici cia Nigeria. Ni araroria wega.
Githomo kiu gikiri kinene.
Turaigwa leo twanga marandemeria ngandu. Leto na ndemenji. Yes. Ni makoreto makiunjia wega no muthe niguo arakirikia. Na ndiraigwa ni araugirio cokerio ngatho. Karumba. Baroya. Dai cokerio ngatho ni.
Ai mambite hamake ya ine giake.
Acha. Dai cokerio ngatho ni. Kuratweka injiri we na mucie waku ria munyitete injiri iyo ri. Inyue muone mwigaire ona waru magikombe. Kenyitiriire atia. Ndwe turi haha ukiario haria.
Ndetwera tukoro haha.
Ndekora twekire ndo makiario guo ri. Tugathiriti goyo kandu aragiero ni makiruragia. Ando ni kuikunduthi na kwambata haria na kuringithia pambio. Yes. Kuringithia woshara wenda tuji over. What can I say? Narekelemo. Today I want to declare Mokuyu is now a property of the heavens. From today henceforth, Mokuyu is now written in the post of heaven. I am declaring as the servant of God. The servant of God all the way from Igbo in Nigeria. I come to declare and manifest. Karumba na ya story. Ne kura twekire Karumba. We mundu wa ngoro ihana ya Dauti. Ondu kura tweka njukua eri yani. Eri ina mutamburuko mwego guori. Mubau ria wakite kundu kuuri. Njukua eyo kurate mirwo gwaku. Karumba ria ate.
Mubau uria wakite njukua.
Yes.
Uratemirwo gwaku.
Na ndirero kwajo no uria twendagia miti gukuri. Ni uramanyihanyihiririe mbere. Ni ndiradia mubau ni. Karumba ithe mubau ti waku. No ratemirwo gwaku. Karumba arona atiri. Arahia arabambika. Arabaro ya nduthi. Emuringie gwake
rimwe
one makweri eyonerewe na maitho tondu ni wa mibau ino
itatu
mugunda wake. Yes. Aria arona nima pio umwe ni murenge ona hau hari na etondu soda mura koguo ndunaturwo ki
ndwaturitwo tene
arau anduthio njokio hau he no horo ucio
mubau withi no kariyo
ayezo kari akoriyo weko altar call. Yes. If you're there and you have been fighting with your spirit that you want to come to the Lord, but the demonic spirit inside you says no, by saying come here now, come and receive, come and receive and become a new creature, no more in condemnation, come and receive. Karumba kabatete njukua chibi
yakwenda kumbwa moko
lekiano mahoe aya microphone. Let the servant of God speak. The spirit has brought him here. Let him speak. Aya microphone. Gwenda kuga heicio murahura mwambe murugamia Mukaramani ri. He's saying the relation that he's making to stop. Jugania jatangwa Karumba. He says his name is Karumba. Nadiaka go Masoro. And he's not applied porridge. Mukaramani aromereri arona atiriri. Ondo aratranslate ri.
Raini onirora.
Raini. Ndenda kamwira muthi na mbere na kurikia. Njigirerwo ngirisi akwa 39. He says that he was 39 Karumba katia ikoje ta. Mwere mu Nigeria wa tiriri. Ici ti thenema. Murangite mubau wakwa.
Indo ciakwa kwihandira.
Muka uterema. Dawa crusade no ndiramiharaga Andole sidwe nini?
Sidwi.
Ndirenda kwaja mutumia ucio wakwa. Mena muri ucio wakwa moke aha. Mambe maumbure.
Karumba ni akurugamia rege.
Watu gatiri wana jia ni ari gore akura. What is the problem no? You see, this one is Karumba. When we say we do our own stage, the wife and the son, when they sell us the tree for doing the njukua, they not tell Karumba. So it's why Karumba is
here.
I don't understand. What do you mean? He's saying his mubau.
His tree was cut.
His tree was cut. And then it was a toad bow. I don't get what you are talking about. Oh. Why is he trying to stop the crusade? He say, you remember we tell you budget of 65,000 of stage. I remember we paid that now. Now, when we pay here, it's always very nice if you in the photo the husband of the homestead. But did you involve them now? They give us the truth. That was your work. Now I'm Shugaji. It looked like money was eaten. Wale ukaro barako bina atoduri. Re jukua chesa gisi ya kuhale muigeni itimomorago. Dinge chwe kandiro na ngina mubau wakwa haha. Owo kagithwa mugwoka muteti.
Ariageria arangite mubau wake.
Niena mwakande huo kendo na kingi. Ndio morowe ni araonekana.
Ni amenya ni kwa hiuha.
Mutumia aroka. Karumba. Hau ni kigongona ine. Ni mubau ine wakwa. Orote naguo.
Muretereire thie mite mingi.
Ndia.
Mwendia indo ciakwa.
Mungethe na mungae. Ndakiuga kundu guku gutirahothwo. Ne mothi ucio wothe.
Ere muti wake.
He say when we come to giving, he shall take all of it. Come ya mama no come ya. Can you come abuda come. Why don't you watch a conjetawe? Me I need to carry a better money. Come we talk about it now. You see Babuda, what we are doing, we're preaching the gospel of the law. The gospel of the law is about being a person who is you don't have to be aggressive now. What was saying, the spirit of giving is encouraged by the devil. When you have the spirit of giving, you have to give and give and give without counting. Nah, me I counting. Why was it need you this one?
You know that's my home?
You know it's my career, Monda. Maramu kohora kile maramu kohorera. Na arauga. And I want you munjue. When you finish, tomorrow I come here with a gari of punda. I carry my bow. What you mote magora? na andå acio ndä makore gwakwa å cio ndä racokia kwao nä athuri ndä rahanga acoke kwao na må rå wa å cio wake ona må tuä te ona kå u
nä thaa 8 na 40